thought in the end of me, we thought that was it. I've news for you. I'm coming back. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few months for now, but we've had technical problems with YouTube and Trolls, of course, as always. Now we're back. Now we're going to make some videos. Now we're going to say, let's get loads more subscribers on this channel really quick, and then let's make loads of great films for you and great money for us, hopefully. Hi guys, I'm back. Benidorm Mad Mike. Okay guys, first things first, we've got a bottle of, well, it's not champagne, but yeah, we're going to open this up. Celebratory channel, we're back. It's fantastic guys.
You're
really
sure you can't get enough fizz?
This is, yeah.
Yeah.
Get this open, eh? Then we can sit and have a chat a bit.
Oh.
Thanks guys, if you're just coming back, if you just noticed I'm back on, thank you for coming back. Thank you for stopping with us. I didn't think I'd ever get this channel back, but you know, miracles happen. I think one's happened today. Here we go guys.
I'm at top way. Oh,
There we go.
bit shit.
Right, let's get some drinks out. Let's get some drinks going.
If
I think
you're
I'm gonna get a bit
wondering
drunk.
why I've got black currant, it's because I'm not really too keen on cider. So I'm having cider black. So time to have a
Cheers
chimac.
guys.
Cheers.
The man is back. Okay guys, we're going to put you on here now while we have a little drink and... Okay, yes. Guys, we're celebrating tonight, got the channel back.
Well done.
Absolute miracle I think.
Definitely.
Yeah, what happened? What happened Sue? Go on. You give
I'm
them-
a genius, that's what happened.
Yeah, Sue's genius, she got it back in the end. We did...
Basically, like as everybody knows, the channel was... We moved
removed.
for certain claims were breach of their community standards. Can I say what it was removed
Yeah,
for?
say what it was removed for.
For posting
Nudism.
nudity and sexually explicit content.
Which could have happened, it could have been on the beach, but it wasn't.
Why is he drinking mine and then I get the big one?
It just, there you go.
Anyway,
I've got a foot in mate, don't worry.
yeah, so it was removed. We tried to appeal, we had problems appealing. Eventually, one of the customer service agents had to send me a separate link so that I could appeal. We thought we'd appealed, it was declined.
I'm over the moon, guys, honestly. You might be able to tell.
Their ruling was withheld. And as you can imagine, Mike was devastated. It's been 7 months. Mike just, I don't know, suggested yesterday having a look, having another try. I contacted a servant ace, a customer service agent, who had a look and seemed to say that the decision was going to be held, but then she passed me over to somebody else, a supervisor, who said that there was no appeal showing.
So,
So
I think
we
it's
don't know.
fixed somehow.
We don't know what
My ball's getting in
happened
the way.
because I was sort of saying yes, it's had a human review, and then the supervisor was saying, well, I can't see any appeal. you can go ahead and appeal. So
Okay.
I just went on the original page, clicked the appeal, put another
Get in the way,
appeal
they keep
in,
it over your side, Marcus. That's it.
put another appeal in, and basically told them that there's no way that Mike would have uploaded this sort of content. We believed it maybe was a troll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We won't know, will we?
No. But,
Unless you want to.
No, but today we're just sat there this evening. Mike said we'll have a look, see what's happening with the channel, and I clicked straight into his channel. It's back, and he got a couple of emails, and one basically just saying, yeah, they've had a look at his channel, and he's back.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant, guys.
No
Absolutely
apology,
brilliant.
no explanation, but hey,
My theory on why they said there wasn't the first appeal, maybe it was just a glitch, it hadn't gone through properly, or maybe the troll who got his channel took down, maybe they know someone who works at YouTube, works with YouTube, and just backhanded up when his appeal comes through, just like scrap it, don't bother.
anyway.
So what we think happened with the first appeal, my opinion of it is Sue said they had to send her a link to actually appeal, and we don't think that was a genuine link.
Or something
It
happened.
was something taken out of YouTube system.
I
So
don't
then-
know, because we did have it come back saying it had had a human review and they were still upholding it.
Yeah.
And this agent said the same. Well, no, it had had a human review and it still stands. And basically that you can't put this content on. But they were saying like sexual gratification and pornography.
Which, I mean,
I told them there's just no way
well,
that he
Probably
would
going
put
banned
that.
out again
I
now.
mean, we don't know, we might hide secrets from us, you never know.
That's on the other channel though, Marcus.
He might be the next Kenny Ames.
But yeah, as you can tell, he's over the moon. He's
I am
back.
really over the moon.
We
Best
all
thing that's
are.
happened to me for years. Since I'm married soon.
Ah,
Breakfast in bed tomorrow for me then?
Yeah, thank you very much. Much appreciated.
No, I meant
No, I'll
for
get
me.
up.
yeah.
So cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Salute. This is off bad.
Yeah, there's going to be loads of
Lots
videos
now.
coming now. I got a message just after we've been told we got the channel back and whatnot. They hadn't put enough content up. So I've got 30 days now to put some content up,
Yeah.
or I'll get demonetised.
Just again.
It was crazy how that happened, really. Like,
It's just one of them things, isn't it?
they basically said they hadn't noticed he'd been uploading for a while. Well,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like,
They're sorted out,
he
you
took
guys,
his channel down, like, come on.
Yeah.
But he is back now, bigger
Brilliant.
and better than ever.
Don't forget Benidorm Place, there'll still be videos going up there. I'm doing a load of shorts over there at the moment. Just see how that's going to go. It's going pretty well at the moment, so we'll have to see. I'll probably do more of the longer videos on this channel. Benidorm Mad Mike. Benidorm Mad Mike, I love saying that now. I absolutely love saying that now. Yeah.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's what he made his name as on YouTube. Everybody
Pretty
knew him.
much, yeah.
And people will still stop him and say, oh, it's Benidorm Mad Mike. And
That's what
you know, it was hard
very
to
nice.
say, well, we're sorry that channel's gone, you know. This is the channel
Yeah.
now.
I mean, it's still his nickname, ain't it, Mad Mike?
Yeah.
Still on TikTok, it's back on YouTube now. It's
On
made
Instagram.
my year.
So, next big payday, you're getting Mad Mike tattoo.
Right, maybe.
Ooh,
You
yeah,
heard it here
that's-
first.
Yeah.
Well, am I going to earn that much on the first payday?
I don't know.
maybe if
Get
they
Everybody
Chinese
watch.
to
We might
pay
do,
for
yeah.
it.
maybe if they give the money back that they had when they took your channel down that you never got.
Yeah, I don't think it was a lot though, so I think it was about 45 quid or something like that.
It's still enough, you know, if they give you that back and you'll get paid this month.
With the other channels, still plenty of good stuff coming
Yeah.
to mine and Sue's channel.
These two are still going as well.
Of course, as well, birthday birthday specials coming soon. Next Friday, 6th of June, I'm gonna do a
That's over on Marcus'
special.
channel, Benidorm Crazy
Yeah.
Marcus.
I'm
You've got
going
your name
to
then.
do a special, present unboxing live. A special cocktail feed. A special
Come on,
live
Marcus, get
on
out.
the evening.
This is my night. We're back, guys.
Potentially, not too certain yet, something big might be happening with a beautiful car.
Maybe.
Maybe, I don't know yet.
If he's here.
Hopefully.
He is going to be here.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
He's pissed.
So we're looking
Well, what
forward
do you expect,
to celebrating. There's people coming over next month.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot better for us now.
Now.
I think it's Patrick and Tony are over, and we're going to try, what's the place called?
Oh, Yok
What are they?
Wang.
Yokwang.
Japanese.
Japanese, they do sushi.
Konnichiwa.
But they do like Chinese food, I've been
That'll
told,
be
so-
good, because that could be like a
Sushi, yeah.
celebratory meal, because Mike's channel's back, and not a celebratory meal because of my birthday.
Hopefully we get some money by then.
Hopefully.
Yeah, because the other channel is doing all right, but it's not really kicking the money out what we can survive on, sort of thing. So it'd be fantastic having this one back to help sport. I just thought I'd come on and let you know what's happened while we're back.
How many subscribers? 6,500, is it?
Yeah, 6,582. So anybody who wants to subscribe to make up to that 7,000, go. Yeah, please subscribe.
He were
Get us out to
competing
more
with
people.
me
I have to remember what I'm saying.
originally.
What did I
weren't you?
used to say when I was on these videos?
I don't know.
Get us out to more people. And yeah. It's absolutely brilliant news, guys.
So keep watching, but now remember, you've got the Benidorm Mad Mike channel to watch again, guys.
And you've got Benidorm Place.
Uh-huh. So I hope that you all raise a glass and say, congratulations, Benidorm
Congratulations,
Mad
guys.
Mike.
You've all
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Salute.
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 He finally said it right.
Well done.
We'll see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Uh-huh.
Who's going to turn the camera off now?
And
Nobody.
if you want to support the channel, buy him a celebratory drink.
Yeah, just buy me a coffee on this one as well.
He will have his buy me a coffee.
Well, I've got two buy me a coffees now. I think I have, haven't I?
Yeah,
One for each channel.
yeah.
There we go. Yeah.
Peace out.
Great, guys.
Check out his channel again, guys.
I can't
now
believe
that
it.
he's back.
Can't believe it.
Hang on, I'll pinch you, see if you're dreaming.
I am dreaming. I can't feel
I
it.
can't feel skin. Well done.
We'll see you on the next
See
video
you
anyway,
on next
guys.
one.